In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write effective prompts for Security Copilot. Security Copilot can be incredibly powerful, but it only delivers high-value answers when your prompt clearly communicates what you want, why you want it, how the response should look, and what information it should rely on. Think of your prompt as a short, well-structured brief. We'll focus on four essential elements: your goal, the context, your expectations for the output, and the sources or plugins it should use. Keep your language precise, avoid ambiguity, and provide just enough detail to anchor the analysis without overwhelming it. Start with the goal. State the specific security-related outcome you need. Instead of asking for a general overview, be explicit. For example, ask to identify lateral movement indicators related to a particular endpoint over the last 48 hours, or to map a suspected phishing campaign to a known framework. Include key constraints like time windows, assets, user groups, severity, or geographic scope. The more concrete the target, the more relevant the findings and recommendations will be. Next, provide context. Explain why you need this and how you plan to use the results. Are you triaging an active incident, preparing a leadership update, validating a hypothesis, or scoping a hunt? Mention any incident status, business impact, or compliance considerations that shape the level of detail and urgency. Context helps Security Copilot choose the right depth, align with your investigation stage, and avoid digressions that don't serve your immediate need. Set clear expectations for the output. Tell it the format and audience. You might ask for a concise incident summary with key indicators and confidence levels for analysts, a step-by-step playbook for responders, or an executive-ready brief in plain language. Specify whether you want bullet summaries, tables, timelines, or recommended next steps. If you need citations, ask for them. If you want prioritized actions, request ordering and rationale. The goal is to make the response immediately usable. Finally, direct it to the right sources. Point to the known information and data sets you trust, such as recent alerts, endpoint logs, identity events, mail security findings, ticket notes, or threat intel feeds. If applicable, indicate which installed plugins or connectors to use, and anytime ranges or query scopes. Reference case numbers or artifact IDs without including sensitive values. When in doubt, tell it to favor your organization's data over broad internet summaries. Put all four together in one prompt, and you'll get faster, clearer, and more defensible results from Security Copilot.